Okay, here is Derek's station. He did the whole front of a salon, and you walk in and you see that. Scary. And he put a face on that lamp. It's got Dracula's pub sign. Some pictures of monsters. The ghost. And then there's more. The skulls, the spider web, the bat, and all that over there. It's got a cat that lights up. There's that guy. And there's another bat. And then this guy. Okay. That is Derek's, just another ghost. Thanks for watching.